Going to discuss about UI testing in Swift. Today I am going to discuss about UI testing in Swift. So what is UI testing in Swift? So consider on this feature on this UI testing is also called integration test. Test user interaction with the app. Make sure that all cases fit well together. Actually this is a benefit of automated test in general. Actually this is a benefit of automatic test in a general. So let us open your Xcode and show on this example. So let us open your Xcode and create a new project. Select on this single view application and which have stored on this name on this project. Name suppose UI testing demo. Select on the interface storyboard interface and Swift language. We can create on this project. So create project. Project is 3 module. UI testing module or design button and the testing unit testing module, and this is the UI testing module. So today I am going to discuss about UI testing module. So this is use of the UI testing demo. Test is class in use of UI testing, and this is the unit testing. So today I am going to discuss about unit UI testing. So firstly we can in this video for this example in this launch application, then we have take screenshot in your app by using UI testing. So firstly we gonna open your view controller. The first is view controller. We're gonna drag drop UI we're gonna drag drop UI button, then apply on this. We're gonna apply the constraints on this button, horizontal vertical center, and we're gonna create outlet on this view controller, this buttons, and this is the tabbed button. We have create on this outlet of the button, and button is suppose we're gonna apply the font is 24, and we're gonna apply the font weight is title, and we're gonna apply the background color on this button, suppose yellow color, and we're gonna apply the height and width constraints. So width is 300 and height is 46. We're gonna apply the height, so we can the button. So this is a tabbed button. We can change this title is tabbed button. Tab button is on this text, so we can create on this complete on this text. We can always view controller, so we can create on this another view controller. So we're gonna drag up UI view controller. We're gonna drag up our screen UI view controller, and we're gonna create another class command n. This is a Coca-Touch class, and suppose which have a so initial view controller is the show screen view controller. Show view controller. We're gonna create on this class. We can assign on this class show view controller, and no storyboard ID we can use, and storyboard registration use the storyboard ID. So on this screen is suppose which have a label. We're gonna apply the constant horizontal vertically center, and we're gonna apply the font weight is 26, and apply the font weight, and we're gonna apply the style is heavy, and so as label, and we're gonna this is the label. So firstly is view controller. We can now open on this tab event UI, another UI view controller. So this is the target on the objc method, objc func, objc func. We can create on this objc method func open next screen, which have a function name. Open next screen, show view controller, show. We can create on this method, and we're gonna apply this tab button dot add target, and this target is self, and we're gonna action is hash selector method open next screen show dot touch up inside on this event touch up inside, and we can use of storyboard. Let v is equal to ui storyboard, x is on this storyboard event ui storyboard name, which have suppose man, name is man, and bundle is nil, and dot instantiate view controller as optional show vc, and command c. We're gonna apply this identifier show vc view controller, otherwise return fatal error, return fatal error, otherwise vc dot otherwise we can use of present vc animated is true and its completion is nil. Pass on this event, fatal error. Okay, so we can run on this UI on this project. We can check on this tab event is correctly and is not correctly. Tab event we will run on this project. So today I am going to discuss about unit UI testing is also code integration test using integration with the instruction. So we're gonna tab event, and it you can call him on this another screen tab event. So in this launch application, then we have take screenshot, then we have take, we can on tab on the event, then we have take screenshot in your app. So firstly we can create a UI test. We can remove on this method and declare on this our method. So test next screen launch, next screen launch, take screenshot, screenshot, take a screenshot. We can launch on the application and take a screenshot. So the app is launch, so let an app launch. So we can use check on this button, let buttons on this screen, let button equal to app dot buttons. Check on this app dot buttons, and buttons dot first match dot tap event. We're gonna tap event. So we can run on this methods is automatically tapped event. and run on this test case. Run on this test case. Stop and run on this test case. Automatically tapped on this event. So we can use of sleep method. Sleep. This is for 5 seconds. We can use of sleep method is 5 seconds. Is wait method. Wait. This is the sleep. This is the wait. Wait on this method. And we can use test successes. So we can run on this test case. Open your application. Automatically tab event is 5 seconds sleep on this screen. So take on this screen in this application, launch application. Take on automatic screenshot. So we can use the screenshot methods and remove throws function. We can use the screenshot method design on this screen. So we can create a function screen. We're gonna create a take screenshot method. Take screenshot. Take screenshot but no return type and no argument. So let screenshot equal to xc UI screen dot main dot screenshot and let screen full screen attachment and otherwise कुछ भी नाम full screen attachment equal to xct attachment which have an initialization of screenshot and we can create our screenshot. We can copy and paste screenshot and full screen attachment dot lifetime and equal to dot keep always, and we can use add method. Attachment is full screen attachment. Add on this full screen attachment and we can calling on this method take screenshot on this and we can run on this test case. We can automatically take on this screenshot is take automatically. So we can check on this screenshot what is why how to check on this screenshot in test case. So we're gonna reporter navigator show the report navigator and this first 11. So time is 11:49 PM. Check on this next launch screen, take a screenshot and this is the add attachment name screenshot attachment name screenshot and this is the screenshot. So on this label button, so this is a screenshot same on this screenshot. So unit test UI testing app, tap on this. So same screenshot on this screenshot. So on this check on this screenshot by take on this screenshot the report navigator and first test case check on this screenshot. So this is a UI testing in Swift. UI testing in the Swift tab automatic tab event.